हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हमने पिछले टर्म पे बात की थी कि जो फॉर्मेट है रिज्यूम का, उसमें क्रोनोलॉजिकल फॉर्मेट हमने देखा था और उसमें कुछ पार्ट बच गया था। उस पार्ट को हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं। द नेक्स्ट वी शुड मेंशन एजुकेशन 2013 CA फाइनल ICAI मुंबई महाराष्ट्र। 2009 BCom पास सेठ मोतीलाल PG कॉलेज झुंझुनू राजस्थान, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ राजस्थान जयपुर। 2006 क्लास 12th CBSE बोर्ड GR पब्लिक स्कूल झुंझुनू राजस्थान, सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन राजस्थान अजमेर। स्किल्स फर्स्ट well versed with MS Office, that is the skills of the candidate well versed with MS Office. Second, working knowledge of Tally. Two skills in the computer, MS Office and Tally. Personal details: date of birth 12th October 1993, marital status married, otherwise unmarried, as you like, as your data. Language known English and Hindi. Permanent address 22 Indira Nagar, झुंझुनू राजस्थान। In the last stage of the resume, we must write declaration that mention that I solemnly declare that all information is correct to the best of my knowledge and belief, and thereafter date 17th May 2021, place झुंझुनू राजस्थान, and last in the side we should mention name of the candidate मोहित चौधरी। तो ये था आपका क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में रिज्यूम फॉर्मेट। देयर इज ए सेकंड फॉर्मेट, फंक्शनल रिज्यूम। फंक्शनल रिज्यूम be the functional or skill based resume, that is a functional resume or skill based resume, placed more importance on your skills and accomplishments, job titles, and where you have worked previously take on secondary importance. फर्स्ट जो फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंस एंड सेकंड इम्पोर्टेंस सेकेंडरी, दैट इज फॉर्मेट, फंक्शनल फॉर्मेट, फंक्शनल रिज्यूम फॉर्मेट। गीता जौहर, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, ईमेल एड्रेस, 10th अग्रसेन सर्किल, चिड़ावा रोड, झुंझुनू राजस्थान, पिन कोड नंबर, डेट ऑफ बर्थ you should mention here. Career objective: seeking a challenging career seeking a challenging career with a progressive organization that provides an opportunity to utilize my technical skills and abilities in the field of information technology IT. Technical skills, hardware troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, programming, Java, C++, Visual Basic, Android programming language, Microsoft Office, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, etc. Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop in design. Personal skills, we should here mention uh, personal skills. First of all, excellent written and verbal communication skills. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Second, highly organized and efficient. Third, ability to work independently or as part of team. Fourth, proven leadership skills and ability to motivate. That is, proven leadership skills and ability to motivate. Education, last step, other step of the functional resume, education. Education, BTech in Information Communication Engineering, 2011 to 2015. Arya Institute of Technology, Kukas, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Achievement, responsibilities, achievements or responsibilities. President, Association of Computer Student, 2013 to 2014. Layout artist, the MJ Student Magazine, 2012 to 2013. Pre-professional experience, technical support intern, IT department. Technical support intern, IT department. Second, Goel Business Services, Jaipur, Rajasthan, March 2013 to May 2014. Provide level first student, handled troubleshooting and maintenance as well as monitoring and development of IT. References, there is references will be provided upon request. There is references will be provided upon request. And last and final stage of the resume type of functional. So that is declaration. Declaration as above, हमने दूसरे फॉर्मेट में देखा है, ठीक वैसा ही डिक्लेरेशन होगा. डिक्लेरेशन यहाँ पे दैट इज डिक्लेरेशन. तो that type declaration can be mentioned here. I solemnly declare that all information is correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. This is the declaration declared by the candidate. There is जो कैंडिडेट गीता जोहर, डेट प्लेस 17th May 2021, झुंझुनू राजस्थान, and the last name of the candidate with signature Geeta Johar. Thank you, students.